sir. Before we start po, may I get your permission po to cooperate in my video documentation po?
Yes po.
Okay, so after that, I'm going to gather all the equipment that I needed. So after that, I'm going to explain to the client what I'm going to do. So sir, I'm going to do a neurological assessment po, so we can detect if you have any early signs of infection or any signs of any diseases po. Now, we're going to ask the client to wear a gown po and close the windows for the privacy. And now we're going to start the assessment po. So we're going to assess the memory test of the memory of the patient. So now we're going to, so sir, may I know your name po?
Nathaniel Elara po.
Where are you right now po, sir?
Barangay Kalumpang po.
Who's the current president of the Philippines po, sir?
President Bongbong Marcos.
Okay, so now we're going to check for the appearance and the behavior of the patient. So the appearance and the behavior of the patient is clean and neat. Also, there's no abnormal behavior on the patient. Now we're going to inspect the expression and expect the emotion of the patient. So sir, how do you feel right now po? Do you feel any sadness po or happiness po po? Depression po?
No.
Okay po. So the patient doesn't feel any depression or anxiety. So now we're going to do the cranial nerve test po. So for the first cranial nerve test po, we're going to ask the patient to close the eyes and I'm going to ask the patient to smell something and to taste something po. And we're going to test. She gonna tell me po. So for the smell po, sir, can you close your eyes po? We have three different kind to so the patient can smell po. So sir, can you close the first po? The other one po.
Vanilla. Chocolate.
Okay, the other side po, sir.
Chocolate.
This one, sir. This one po.
Vanilla.
So the patient can smell properly the three different substances. Now we're going to ask the patient to taste the three different substances that I prepared po. So sir, can you close your eyes po?
Sugar. Ketchup. Salt.
Okay, so the patient can taste properly the three substances that we prepared lately po. Now we're going to assist the eye of the patient for the on the eye of the patient. So sir, can you follow this video, sir? sir, may I ask you po to close the other side of the eye po. So, tell me po if, this one po. So, ayan di ba, sir ko, if nakikita niya na po ba, sir?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Other side po, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so sir, can you stand up po and read the aesthetic chart po?
A B L H Z P T X U. Ang ganda lang.
The other side po.
A B F H Z P T X U B.
Okay, so the patient, okay na po. So the patient can properly read on the 20/50 vision on the both side of the eyes of the patient. Now we're going to assist the patient. I'm going to test the patient for the tongue of the patient. So here I already have the tongue depressor, and I'm going to check the tongue of the patient. So the vulva of the tongue of the patient is wet. Also, there's no, I don't see any lesions on the tongue of the patient. So now we're going to check the shoulder strength of the patient. So the strength of the shoulder of the patient is normal. Can properly the strength of the patient is normal, is properly the can properly up and down the shoulder of the patient. Now we're going to inspect the facial expression of the patient. So sir, can you blow your cheek po? Close your eyes tightly po. And can you smile po? Okay. So the facial expression of the patient is normal. There's also symmetrical. There's no other abnormalities. Now we're going to palpate the temporomandibular joint of the patient. Okay. So the temporomandibular joint of the patient is there's no clicking sound. Also there's no, so sir, do you feel any tenderness po ba? So the patient doesn't feel any tenderness on the when he bite the teeth of the when he bite his teeth po. So now we're going to inspect the balance of the patient. So sir, can you stand up po? And can you walk po from to the bit po? Back po. So and can you close your eyes po? So, okay po sir, can you sit lang po? So the patient, when he is walking, there's swelling on the arms of the patient. Also when he stand up po and close the eyes po, there's a little bit of swaying of the body po. That is normal po. So now we're going to assess the reflexes of the joint of the patient. Oh, so the sir, can you oh, so the patient so now we're going to do the abdomen reflexes now. Oh. So on the brachial and the radial and also the popliteal and the foot of the patient, also in the abdomen of the patient there are reflexes which is indicating a normal po. Now we're going to do the Ryan test po. So sir, can you stand up po? Okay, so the hearing of the patient is normal because the AC is most longer time in the most longer time in and the BC is the shorter time when we hear the tuning fork. So now we're going to do the test of the patient. So sir, the hernia test po. So sir, can So, the patient, when he close, when he up the legs po on the different side, so the patient doesn't, so sir, do you feel any tenderness po
No.
or pain po
No.
on the both other side po?
No.
Okay. So the patient doesn't feel any tenderness on the both side of the feet, and also do you feel any pain po when I up your head po? So the patient doesn't feel any pain or in the when I up the head of the patient when of the patient. So after that, after that, I'm going to document all the findings and hash my and document